Let's take a quick look at this question. Which of the following arrangement of elements is in order of increasing ionization energy? If you are joining us for the first time, this is Ojemike TV. You can follow us on Facebook on Ojemike Online Chemistry. In our previous video, we have already looked at atomic radius as one of the property of the periodic table. This is another property, which is what? Ionization energy. We have other properties such as electron negativity, electron affinity, metallic property, non-metallic property, and so on and so forth. If you want to know more of those property, just subscribe to Ojemike YouTube channel. All the properties have been discussed extensively in my YouTube channel. Now let's look at this quickly look at this one. Now, what do you understand by ionization energy? Ionization energy simply means the amount of energy that is required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an atom. The amount of energy that is required to remove an electron from the outermost part of an atom. We have an atom like this. We have electron here. So the amount of energy that you will require to remove this electron is what we call what? Ionization energy. And now they are asking of increasing ionization energy. Remember, the more electrons are added to a shell, the more it becomes so difficult to remove it because of what? The number of protons are being added. For instance, if this is hydrogen and we have another one, we have another shell, as let's just say this shell is let's say this shell is you discover that the more electrons are added to this shell, the more it becomes closer to the nucleus. And like the way I explained in our previous video in atomic radius, the more electrons are added, the more this shape will come closer to the nucleus, the more it becomes so difficult to remove an electron. Do you understand? From the atomic shell. So then we already know that all these elements are in period 3 of the periodic table. And in order of period 3, we have the first one is sodium, we have magnesium, we have aluminum, we have silicon, we have sulfur, and we have what? Phosphorus. We have silicon, sorry, phosphorus come before. Now this is order of what? We have chlorine and argon. This is the order of period 3 of the periodic table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is period 3 of the short form of the periodic table. Now this one, the amount of energy, remember, this is a shell of sodium, shell of magnesium, shell of aluminum, shell of silicon, shell of phosphorus, shell of sulfur, and so on and so forth. This is we are asked this one 1, 2, 3, 4. This is aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and what? Sulfur. Now the more electrons are added, remember, aluminum will have the energy that will require to remove aluminum electron from this aluminum shell will be lesser than that of silicon, because there are more electrons in this silicon atom than in what? Than in aluminum. There are more electrons in phosphorus atom than in what? Than in silicon. There are more electrons in sulfur atom than in what? Than in phosphorus. So the amount of energy that will require to remove electron from this sulfur will be greater than the amount of energy that will be required to remove what? Electron from phosphorus atom. Are you following? So then the increasing order will be what? From here to here, from here to here, from here to what? To here. So we have aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and what? Sulfur. Then in decreasing order, if you are asked, decreasing order of ionization energy will be what? Will be silicon. We have phosphorus, sorry, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, and what? Aluminium. This is in the what? Decreasing order. Decreasing. Why this is what? Increasing order. Increasing is what? From here, the amount of energy is now more. Decreasing is what? From sulfur, it will now begin to what? Be lesser, and lesser. Please and please share this video. So our correct option is what? Sorry, our correct option is aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and what? Sulfur. So our option is what? Option C. For more of these videos, subscribe to Ojema YouTube channel. Follow us on Ojema Online Chemistry. Please and please share this video to as many people who are writing JAMB. I want people to pass JAMB, more especially chemistry. Please and please share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.